Looks like something got this strawberry, sissy. We might have to put a little fence around it here. This one's looking pretty. I put these tomato cages because my Cherokee purples didn't need them right yet. So I put them right here with the beans because the beans were reaching out and trying to grab each other and everything else. Except this one, it's still pretty little, but these other ones, as you can see, they're already wrapping around the cages now. This one grabbed the fence here and it's going this way and that way, so we'll probably have like green beans growing all up along the fence here. And I put this one over these two over here, and yeah, they're wrapping around it really good now, so maybe they'll leave the other plants alone. I need to get something taller for them to go up probably. These tomato plants are looking really good. Look at how big this lemon boy has gotten. It's been a few days since I showed y'all. It's getting really big now. These are also really big. I went ahead and pulled the tomatoes that were at the very bottom. In just a few days they shot way up here, so I think that really helped them to grow on up a little bigger. They're in the house. I don't think they've started turning or anything yet, but we'll let them turn red or either make some fried green tomatoes with them. We've got our first serrano pepper here. Oh look, there's another one. I think we're about to get some poblano peppers over here. Okra's looking good over here. Look at Miss Turkey. She's eyeballing the garden, trying to figure out a way to get in. You can't do it, Miss Turkey. Stay strong, girl. Stay strong. Now we're gonna make tiramisu. So this is gonna be our Sunday dessert. It needs to be refrigerated for at least 3 to 4 hours, but overnight is the best. Now we've made a triple, I think it was a triple berry tiramisu before, but we've never made like the basic coffee one like this. That's what we're gonna make this time. The triple berry one is wonderful. I think it was triple berry. It was some kind of berry one. It was also great. I'll link that video down below. I saw a few different recipes for this tiramisu. Some people say tiramisu, some people say tiramisu. I'm just gonna say tiramisu, but whichever way you say it. I saw a few different recipes for this coffee one. This one seems like the easiest one. It just has like 4 ingredients in the cream part. We're starting with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. We're adding 1/3 cup of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, it's starting to thicken up. Now we're gonna add in this 8-ounce container of mascarpone. I think I'm saying that right. And I've had this sitting out, so it's just about room temperature. Now we'll let it mix until it gets really thick and it's all blended together good. Okay, so I've got 2 dishes here. This one has cold coffee in it. The recipe said you could use espresso or strong coffee. We normally make our coffee pretty strong, so this is what was left over from this morning because you want it to be cold. So we have the coffee there, and we have these lady fingers. 2 packs. I don't know if we'll need both packs, but what we're gonna do is take the lady fingers and just dip them in the coffee real quick, because they will soak it up fast. That one probably got a little too much on it there. Thought I was gonna be quick and do them all at one time, but that is not gonna be possible because they start falling apart. But yeah, you gotta do it very quickly. Now we put a layer of the cream mixture. It looks like this picture on the Ladyfingers package, it looks like they put some of the cocoa on top of this layer. This recipe didn't say to, but I think I'm going to put a little bit on this layer too. So we've just got the cocoa in this little sifter, and we'll just shake it on. There we go. And we repeat. I mean, you got to be really fast with these Ladyfingers because they soak that coffee up so quick. They are wanting some coffee. These Ladyfingers are so good to just like put some whipped cream on them. They're just wonderful. Okay, we just put the rest of our cream mixture and more cocoa on top. That's it. Goes in the refrigerator. And Sunday dessert is taken care of. I'm gonna cover it with some plastic wrap. Most of the ones I saw really loaded this cocoa powder on. I mean, it was a lot of cocoa powder, but the kind I have right now, I'm out of the regular. I'm using the Hershey's Special Dark. So it's a little bit of a stronger taste than the regular unsweetened cocoa powder, so I'm not gonna put that much.
Heading down here to tax cows down here close to Atlanta. Well, we gave it all we had, and we didn't bring any horses today, and we was not able to get these cattle to come in on foot. We got some of them, but it just didn't work. Didn't go according to plan, did it, Bubba? No. So we're gonna come back in about a week and a half or so and bring the horses. Till next time. And these cattle over here at this place is broke to feed. In other words, what that means is, I know there's a lot of people out there that watch our stuff that understand, but there's, you know, a good many people that don't. These cattle normally will always come in to feed, and some of them did, but it's just not today. There's one for sure in that group that kind of knows what the deal is. And so she would basically get up there toward the pen and lead the other ones astray. Whenever we started down here today, I thought, you know, I really need to go get my horse. But I didn't, and sometimes that's just the way things work out. But we are definitely going to bring them next time. Well, we're back, folks. I'm going to tell y'all something. I had a nightmare last night. I woke up in a deep, hard sweat, heart pounding. And it was the price of groceries.
Yeah.
What? We're gonna have to depend on that garden right there, probably, and I'm gonna have to just start hunting all of our food.
Tyler turned around and looked at it like, what?
There's some things I would like to start cooking. I'm gonna start out with the tops of these beets.
Oh, okay.
And then we'll ease in there.
Yeah, beets scare people. You know, you remember last time.
There's a lot of things that can scare people that folks cook. There's a channel I watch every now and then of this guy over in, I'm thinking he's over in China. He'll cook some stuff.
Yeah.
Don't think he won't. If it flies or walks,
we better run.
That's right. I'm fixing to show you what I'm gonna do with these tops on these beets right here. And I got these new little drinks right here. They Very Berry, okay? It's just basically carbonated spring water. Let's see what this tastes like. There's a little bit of mint in there. That's actually really good. Here we go. Now we're gonna cut the tops off of these things. Nothing to cooking the beets. Y'all know exactly how to do that. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and let Fallon, if she wants to, wash these beets for me. You mind doing that?
Me?
Baby, I will. I guarantee you. I mean, as much as I would love to do that,
thank you.
I would let you.
Now, you're not gonna peel them, so you just want the outside wash. No, I'm not gonna peel them.
Okay. Give them a good wash. And the best way, I've cooked these things several different ways. And for me, the best way I found to cook them is to either kind of steam them or bake them in the oven. All right, now you can eat every bit of this right here. So what you want to do, this is what I like to do. We're gonna make like a little beet salad here. And we're gonna take these right over here and just wash them. See how I let her help me right there?
I'm over here about to make some fried shrimp. You already saw that though in yesterday's video. If you missed it, I'll link it down below.
Wash them good. While that's heating up, we will get us a bite of a cookie. You need balance in your life.
He watches this doctor that is always telling you what is good for you, what is not good for you, and like really, really big.
He's serious now. take some garlic, put it in a glass, let it set in the water, drink it down, and your body will love you. It's true. It does work. You'll see I got a piece of pizza. That's what he said. It sends some kind of chemical reaction to you.
He said it was good for you, didn't he?
Well, no. He didn't say the pizza was good for you.
Oh, okay.
What he said was
Eating the pizza was good
eating the
for you.
pizza sends some kind of
Happiness.
makes a chemical reaction happen in our brain, and it sends all kinds of, and it's like...
It's called happiness.
It's called happiness, and it's called meat lovers, okay? It's called bacon, hamburger.
Supreme.
Put it all on there.
Yeah.
And, he's like, you need to enjoy your life.
He got tired of drinking garlic water and he was ready for a piece of pizza.
He said you need to enjoy your life, and I'm like, I know all about it. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see me over here. But you're gonna want to cut an onion. Throw them in and let Fallon kind of, do that.
The lemon gonna keep hanging out in there?
No, we want to remove the lemon about this point right here. We've had enough of that lemon. Now, let's go ahead and put our greens in. Let's put just a little bit of water in here that will steam this.
What about your
saying?
lemon zest?
I'm gonna zest it up here in a minute.
Okay, so now we're ready for the top?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, that's what we're gonna do right there until it starts to shrivel up. Once it starts to shrivel up, once it wilts, we'll then do something different. Well, I'll tell you what, you watch this cooking show, let me get on Food Network. Can't you see us on Food Network? We'll be like, sweetie, hand me them cookies over there. While this is wilting, we're gonna eat
No,
this.
while it's shriveling.
While this is shriveling up.
You do? The same one?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
This thing, this battery dead, but it has those new batteries in. Now it went out when I turn it on.
When you turn it on, it's out of battery.
So I have something to help it. It needs 2 batteries. White.
This is the battery drawer. And also many other things that wind up in here that don't belong.
And also toys.
All right, these right here are shriveling up pretty good now. I had to go do a little something outside right quick, but we got these on the shrivel. Put you some salt on there. Put you plenty of pepper. We're going to go in with a little bit of lemon zest. And last but not least, some red pepper flakes, just for a little bit of heat. Just move that around. We might need to get us some tongs so we can kind of pick it up. Yeah, that's perfect, Mama, with this teamwork here. You put it on the spatula. Look here, see that? And then I'll dump it over here. That's all you gotta do right there, folks. What is this called, baby?
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu. We've heard they're great.
I tasted it just a
Wonderful.
second ago and I'm speechless. Although I'm talking, I'm still speechless. That's amazing.
That's got a good taste to it right there now. What in the world?
Yeah, it almost feels refreshing because it tastes like the coffee and it's cold, but it's great.
Y'all need to do this.
Yeah.
That's some good stuff right there.